Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show how to build normal maps in Blender using Bevel's node. We don't need any add-on for this. It can be done in vanilla Blender. And we are going to be using this spaceship for making the normal map for this spaceship. This is the final normal map that I got. And it looked kind of okay, right? So first we are going to make a new material for this spaceship in which one we are going to build this normal map. Let's call it Baker, it's fine. Let's assign it to it. And let's add here a bevel node. Bevel for making the beveling that we are going to be using our normal map. Let's increase the samples and also the radius. 0.2 should be fine. And also we can change the base color to make it easier for the eyes to see the model, on the preview, I mean. So when we come to render, we can see that there is already beveling on the hard edges. And also beveling on the intersection. There is some sort of welding, which looks good. So the next step is to add an image where we are going to base this normal map. Image texture, 2K is fine. Let's make a new name for this image. I don't know, new normal. And let's visualize it here. So we can have a preview of our normal maps, new normals, right? So in the render tab with cycles engine, we should go to bake, select here normal, and just hit bake. It can take a few minutes because it's a 2K map, but it should be fine. Okay, bake is done, and this is our normal map. At first sight, it looks okay, and this is how we bake normal maps in Blender using Bevel.